So making khichdi, I have here roasted moong dal, 1 cup of roasted moong dal, 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, 1 bay leaf, 2 red dried chilies, cumin seeds, and here I have vegetables of my choice which I have chopped. That is bottle gourd, pumpkin, potato, some carrot, and I have taken 1 inch of ginger for making a paste, and I have taken here half cup of peas. And for seasoning, I have ghee, desi ghee, garam masala, red chili powder, some mustard oil, salt of course. Here I have soaked rice and moong dal, and I will be soaking for around 1 hour, and by that time I will be preparing the vegetables. I have taken a wok and I am putting around 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and I am going to fry the vegetables. So we have to make them crisp, and now we don't have to cook them, we just have to make them crisp. Now I'm adding other vegetables in a sequence. And pumpkin, बंद करो. So we will saute for like 1 to 2 minutes, and then I am going to take them off. निकाल लेंगे. Now we can take out the vegetables. In the same wok, I am adding 1 bay leaf, 2 chilies, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Now ginger paste, and we should be careful कि हमारा जो जीरा है वो जलना नहीं चाहिए, it should not burn. And now add tomatoes, and let's saute for 3 to 5 minutes till the tomatoes become mushy. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, and here I am adding little of chili powder. You can add as much as your taste, and mixing them properly. And now add little bit of water so that the masala will be cooked properly. Just cover them for 2 to 3 minutes. Now our masala is well cooked, so at this time I am adding this rice and dal, soaked rice and dal. And now we have to mix them properly and fry them for like 3 to 4 minutes on high flame. Biryani bana. Start. Okay, here I am adding 4 cups of boiling water.
Hot water, that's good.
Yeah.
Taken out of the...
And now I am going to add my vegetables, all of them. And one more thing I'll have to add, and that is salt. So salt as per taste. I have added 2 teaspoons. Later I will taste and adjust the saltiness. And now we have to cook on low flame for 5 to 7 minutes. So we have to stir this khichdi occasionally. Very carefully so that we don't break the rice and the vegetables. So now after 7 minutes I am transferring the whole content with 4 cups of boiling water in a pressure cooker, and I'll cook just for one whistle. Transfer all carefully. So now I am going to put this, and I will wait for one whistle. Without disturbing anything, just add water, 1 cup of water, and now make the flame go high, and more water, and now I'm going to add peas. Avni, wait. So the rice and dal, they are actually cooked properly, and now I'm adding more water. So looks like our khichdi is done, and all the vegetables we can see properly. And now it's time to add 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and just turn off the flame and add sugar as per taste. Here I am adding around 1 teaspoon of sugar. Some more, 2 teaspoon. And now add some ghee, and you can also add some mirchi powder if you like. I'm adding some ghee, around 1 tablespoon, and our khichdi is ready. Khichdi is ready. ये बन गई मेरी भोग वाली खिचड़ी।